Okay, so we're going to talk about blocks. Um, you can see that I have drawn something here. This is kind of a complex block, but it could be as simple as a circle. You could make like kind of almost like a little icon or anything that you'd want to insert many times into a drawing, or just have it in your library so you don't need to keep recreating things over and over. So this is for our classroom redesign project, and you can see that I've kind of mocked up a desk with a little window, the keyboard, the mouse pad, and the dual monitors. Obviously, I'm not expecting you guys to go to this extreme. Please don't spend too much time on this aspect. Unless you've done everything else and you're happy and you have some extra time left over, and then you can start to really detail these things out. But time manage. Okay, so we are, as you can see, these are all separate elements that I have created. All of these things. Some of these are patterns and stuff like that, but these are all separate. So what I want to do is, because we have 22 of these in the classroom, I could just copy this whole thing, grab it, specify the base point here, and do this. But if I ever go to change anything, these are still all separate elements. So it'd be like, okay, well, I'm going to delete this. Uh-oh, there's some leftover thing here. Uh-oh, now I've screwed this up. You can see how this can be problematic. So I'm going to show you how to create a block. Okay, so my block is completed here. I'm happy with this. So I'm going to go right here to create. And I already have, no, I don't have this one. I'm going to name this desk. And I am, I'm going to have this unchecked and this unchecked. And what I'm going to do is, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a point where I want to, almost like a paste, where I want, when I bring it in, what is it going to snap to? So I'm just going to say here. When I'm done with that, see how it's picked its point, and then I'm going to pick my objects. I'm going to click here, and I'm just going to select all those and press Enter to accept. And I'm going to press the OK button. Okay. Notice now everything's all grouped together. This has created a block out of this. The nice thing about it is, too, you can double click. If you select desk here, these would be the blocks in the drawing. If you press OK, you can go in and you can make a change to this. If I said, oh, okay, well, I don't know. Well, it looks like something's weird with the patterning here. Say I said, oh, there's no monitor here. That monitor's gone. Okay, I'm going to delete that. Okay, now I'm going to close the block editor. Save the changes, and you can see that that's changed. If you had a whole bunch of these, it's going to copy that. It's going to delete that monitor in every single one of these. Now, I don't want to do that. Okay, so this is a block. Okay, I'm going to insert another one. Insert. You can see right here is desk. And I can bring this in. Now I have two of them. And remember that the block is stored. So if I make any changes to the block, it affects every single block. Okay. So that is how to make a block. If you're going to delete, if you're going to just select it and press the delete button to delete it. To learn more about our program, check us out at fvcc.edu, and for more tips and tricks, subscribe to this channel.